Welcome to the digital frontier where the impossible becomes possible. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary ExaGear Windows Emulator, transforming your mobile device into a powerhouse gaming PC. Imagine playing your favorite PC games anywhere, anytime, right in the palm of your hand. That's the magic of ExaGear. This software marvel allows you to run Windows applications and games on Android and Linux devices with remarkable performance. But how does it work? ExaGear employs a virtualization technology that translates x86 instructions to ARM, the language of mobile processors. Getting started with ExaGear is a breeze. The compatibility list is impressive, from classic strategy games to beloved RPGs. It's not just about games. Productivity apps are also within your reach. Behind ExaGear is a vibrant community of tech enthusiasts and gamers. ExaGear Windows Emulator is more than just an app. It's a revolution in mobile computing. Thank you for joining us on this journey through ExaGear Windows Emulator. The future of mobile gaming and computing is here, and it's exciting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech deep dives and game reviews. Until next time, keep gaming beyond limits.